Hello everyone, still struggling to talk in English? Let me help you out. Today, we'll be talking about three most important useful sentence structure which is going to help you to speak better. So, আপনি কিভাবে বলেন যে আমি হাঁটতে হাঁটতে ক্লান্ত? Well, I'm tired of walking. All you have to do, add verb plus ing. Find your verb and add ing. আমি খেতে খেতে ক্লান্ত. I'm tired of eating, right? What about আমি সাঁতার কাটতে কাটতে ক্লান্ত? I'm tired of swimming. Now, you can make it even negative. কিভাবে? যে আমি হাঁটতে হাঁটতে ক্লান্ত না. I'm not tired of walking. So just not. It's going to be negative. Let me share another one. The second one is feel like. আপনি কিভাবে বলেন আমার খেতে ইচ্ছা করতেছে? I feel like eating. Again, verb plus ing. আমার ঘুমাইতে ইচ্ছে করতেছে? I feel like sleeping. Now you can make it negative. How? I don't feel like sleeping. Now you can make it negative. How? You can make any sentence using this structure. Okay, so these are two sentence structures for today. We'll be talking about the same things maybe in the next video. Till then, take care.